Hello, everyone. Welcome back to another episode of our English Learning Podcast. I am Alice, and I am here with my fantastic co-host, James. How are you feeling today, James?
Hi, Alice. Hi, everyone. I am feeling wonderful today, thank you. I am smiling, I have a lot of energy, and I am very happy to record a new episode.
I am so glad to hear that. Today, our topic is all about feelings and emotions. Every day, our feelings change. Sometimes we are happy, sometimes we are sad, and sometimes we are just very tired.
Exactly. Knowing how to express your feelings is a very important part of speaking English. If you are an A2 level learner, this episode is perfect for you. We will practice the most common emotion adjectives. We will also learn the difference between words like bored and boring, and how to use the verb to feel.
So, get comfortable, relax, and let's get started. Okay, everyone. Now, James and I are going to act out a scene. In this story, James and I are good friends. We are meeting at a park on a Saturday afternoon. But when James arrives, he does not look very happy. Let's listen. Hi, James. Over here.
Oh, hi, Alice.
James, what is wrong? You look very sad today. Are you okay?
I am not sad, Alice. I am just very tired and a little bit angry.
Angry? Why are you angry? Did something bad happen today?
Yes, my morning was terrible. First, my alarm clock didn't ring, so I woke up late. Then I drove my car to the park, but the traffic was horrible. I waited in my car for an hour.
Oh no, I understand now. Traffic always makes me angry too.
Exactly. So I am angry about the traffic, and I am tired because I didn't sleep well last night. I feel exhausted.
I am sorry to hear that, James. Sit down on the bench. Take a deep breath. Let's pause here. Let's talk about the vocabulary we just used. I looked at James and I asked, "What is wrong?"
What is wrong is a very common question in English. You use it when your friend looks unhappy, sick, or stressed. It means, what is the problem? You can also ask, are you okay?
I thought James was sad. Sad is the opposite of happy. But James said, "I am not sad. I am tired and angry."
Let's look at those two adjectives. Tired means you have no energy. You want to sleep. T-I-R-E-D. And angry means you are mad. You feel a strong, bad emotion because something unfair or bad happened. A-N-G-R-Y.
Notice the grammar we use to talk about feelings. You can use the verb to be. James said, "I am tired" and "I am angry." You can say she is sad or they are happy.
You can also use the verb to feel. I said I feel exhausted. Exhausted is a great word for A2 learners. It means very, very tired. 100% tired.
So you have two options. You can say "I am tired" or "I feel tired." Both are 100% correct and natural.
And pay attention to the preposition I used with the word angry. I said I am angry about the traffic. When you want to say the reason for your emotion, you often use about. I am angry about the traffic. I am sad about the news.
Great tip, James. Okay, James is feeling tired and angry, but I have some good news to share with him.
Okay, I am sitting down. I feel a little better now. How are you, Alice? How was your weekend?
My weekend is amazing. I feel so happy today.
Really? Why are you so happy?
Because I got a new pet. Look at this picture on my phone.
Oh, wow. I am surprised. Is that a puppy?
Yes, I adopted him yesterday. He's a little golden retriever. I am so excited.
He is beautiful, Alice. I am very happy for you. Are you nervous? Having a puppy is a lot of work.
I'm a little bit nervous, yes, but mostly I'm just excited. I love him so much.
That is wonderful news. My bad mood is gone. Seeing your puppy makes me feel happy too.
Let's pause again. The mood is much better now. I shared some happy news. In this part, I used the word happy, and I also said, I am so excited.
Excited is a fantastic adjective. It means you are very happy and enthusiastic because something good is happening or is going to happen.
Yes, children are excited on their birthdays. You feel excited when you go on vacation. I am excited because I have a new puppy.
But here is a very important grammar rule for A2 learners. In English, we have adjectives that end in ed and adjectives that end in ing.
This is a classic mistake. We use adjectives with ed to describe how a person feels. I feel excited. James feels surprised.
We use adjectives with ing to describe the situation, the thing, or the person that causes the feeling.
Exactly. So I'm excited. Why? Because the new puppy is exciting. Let's give another example. James saw the picture and said, I'm surprised. Surprised ends in ed. It is my feeling. Why? Because the picture was surprising. Surprising ends in ing. Let's practice the pronunciation of these words. First, the feeling. Excited. Now, the situation. Exciting.
Excellent. And James also asked Alice, "Are you nervous?" We learned this word in our anxiety episode. Nervous means you are worried about something. Alice is happy, but a little nervous because a puppy is hard work.
Yes, it is. Okay, James and I are going to talk about our plans for the rest of the day. So, James, what did you do last night?
I stayed home and watched a movie, but it was a terrible movie. It was 3 hours long and nothing happened.
Oh no, were you bored?
Yes, I was very bored. The movie was so boring. I fell asleep on the sofa.
Well, let's do something fun today. Are you hungry? We can go to a restaurant.
Yes, I am very hungry. I didn't eat breakfast this morning. I am starving.
Let's go get some pizza. And I'm thirsty too. I need a big glass of water.
Pizza sounds perfect. I feel much better now, Alice. Thank you. Let's go.
And scene, we are going to eat pizza, so everyone is happy. Let's look at the final expressions we used. First, let's talk about my movie. Alice asked me, were you bored? Bored means you feel tired and unhappy because you have nothing to do or because something is not interesting. And here's our ed versus ing rule again. James said, I was bored. That's his feeling. Why? Because the movie was boring. The movie caused the feeling.
This is so important, listeners. If you want to say you have nothing to do, you must say, I am bored. If you say, I am boring, it means you are not an interesting person. You put people to sleep.
Yes, please be careful. Don't tell your friends, I am boring. Say, I am bored.
Next, Alice asked me, are you hungry? This brings us to a huge difference between English and many other languages.
Yes, in many languages like Spanish, Portuguese, or French, you use the verb to have for hunger and thirst. You say, I have hunger. But in English, we never say that.
In English, hungry and thirsty are adjectives, just like happy and sad. So we use the verb to be. I am hungry, you are hungry, she is thirsty.
Hungry means you want to eat food, and thirsty means you want to drink water.
I told Alice I am starving. Starving is an extreme adjective. It means you are very, very hungry. Just like exhausted means very tired, starving means very hungry.
So, in this episode, we learned a lot of great adjectives: happy, sad, angry, tired, exhausted, surprised, excited, nervous, bored, hungry, and thirsty.
That is a lot of feelings. If you can use these words, you will be able to express yourself very well in English.
Before we finish today, let's do a quick recap. It's time for our listen and repeat section. I want you to practice speaking out loud wherever you are. James will say the phrase, and you will repeat after him. Are you ready?
Here we go. Repeat after me. I am angry about the traffic.
She feels very tired today.
I am excited about my new puppy. I am bored because the movie is boring.
Fantastic job, everyone. Now, here is your challenge for today. We want to hear from you. Go down to the comments section and answer this question. How do you feel today, and why?
For example, you can write, I am happy today because it is Friday, or I feel tired because I worked a lot. We will read your comments and correct your English.
Well, that is all the time we have for today's episode. If you learned some new feeling words today, please hit that like button. It really helps our channel reach more English learners around the world.
And please don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you never miss a new lesson.
Yes, share it with a friend. Thank you so much for listening and practicing with us today.
See you next time, everyone. Keep practicing and stay happy. Bye.
Bye, everyone.